Welcome back to CozyCamp Reviews, and today we're looking at one of the most extraordinary vehicles to ever hit the road. This is the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motorhome, a true definition of luxury travel, blending the prestige of Maybach with the freedom of a motorhome. If you've ever imagined living in comfort and the style while moving from one place to another, this machine turns that dream into reality. The first thing that grabs your attention is the exterior. At the front, you get the signature Maybach grille, massive and imposing, finished in chrome that sparkles under the sunlight. The digital LED headlamps on either side are not just beautiful, but also adaptive, changing their brightness and spread depending on the driving environment. The body is sleek and aerodynamic, something rarely achieved in motorhomes of this size. The proportions are bold yet elegant, a mix that makes it stand out wherever it goes. Large alloy wheels add stability and presence, while panoramic windows along the side bring in natural light and make the cabin feel even larger from the inside. Moving toward the back, the rear features a stunning light bar stretching across with the Maybach logo illuminated right at the center. It looks futuristic yet unmistakably luxurious. On top of the roof are solar panels that supply additional energy, while the lower section offers plenty of storage space for everything from luggage to camping gear. Every angle of this exterior showcases Maybach's attention to detail. Stepping inside is like entering a five-star hotel suite. The living space is designed with the finest materials available. As soon as you enter through the automatic sliding doors, you are greeted with a lounge that feels warm, welcoming, and incredibly comfortable. Plush Napa leather recliners with heating, cooling, and even massage functions set the tone for indulgence. The entire cabin is bathed in customizable ambient lighting that can change colors according to your mood. Up front, the cockpit is futuristic with dual OLED displays stretching across the dashboard. These screens manage navigation, entertainment, vehicle functions, and even connect with an AI assistant that listens to your voice commands. Everything is seamless, modern, and intuitive. Beyond the lounge, there's a dining area complete with a retractable table made of polished wood and crystal details. The kitchenette beside it is equipped with a smart refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a built-in coffee machine, and even a compact dishwasher. It's clear Mercedes designed this space to be a home away from home, ensuring you can cook, dine, and relax in total luxury while on the move. The bedroom is equally impressive. A queen-size bed with premium linens and a memory foam mattress makes sure you get a restful sleep wherever you are. Above the bed, there is a large panoramic skylight that lets you stargaze from the comfort of your room. The walls are lined with storage spaces, all neatly integrated to keep the look clean and uncluttered. The bathroom is nothing short of spa-like, featuring a rainfall shower, marble countertops, gold-finished fixtures, and soft lighting that makes it feel like a wellness retreat. When it comes to performance, this motorhome doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, it packs a hybrid powertrain that combines a robust V8 engine with an electric motor. Together, they deliver smooth acceleration and impressive fuel efficiency for such a large vehicle. The adaptive air suspension ensures that no matter the terrain, the ride remains stable and composed. Handling is further improved with an intelligent all-wheel drive system, which provides confidence whether you are cruising highways or venturing onto more challenging routes. The cabin insulation is exceptional, blocking out road noise and creating an almost silent environment inside. Add to that semi-autonomous driving features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and auto braking, and you have a machine that makes long journeys both safe and stress-free. Of course, with all this luxury, the price is not for everyone. The 2026 Mercedes-Maybach motorhome starts at around $1.5 million, and with bespoke customizations, it can climb close to $2 million. This makes it one of the most exclusive vehicles on the market, aimed at those who want the absolute best without compromise. For buyers in this segment, it isn't just about transportation, it's about making a statement, carrying luxury and freedom in one rolling mansion. So is it worth it? If you're someone who values elegance, advanced technology, comfort, and the ability to travel anywhere without leaving behind the feel of a luxury home, then the answer is yes. This vehicle is not just about getting from one place to another. It's about experiencing the journey in a way that very few people in the world ever will. The 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome represents the pinnacle of travel luxury, blending innovation, performance, and craftsmanship into a single breathtaking package. Thank you for joining me today in this deep dive into the 2026 Mercedes Maybach motorhome. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to channel name, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Until next time, travel safe and dream big.